ChatGPT that has taken over the internet like a storm, but the platform was blown after getting 100 million users. According to a report of SimilarWeb, ChatGPT had clocked 13 million users per day in January, and it is still continue with 10 million users per day. But now, Microsoft has acquired this revolutionary AI chatbot, and they have put so many restrictions and subscription charges on it. Plus, they have stopped onboarding more users on their platform from several countries. So, what is the solution for you? Well, here is the solution. Introducing AI Mat. How would you like to have a personal AI assistant that can help you create high quality content, generate AI graphics, and respond like a human? Well, your wish has come true. With Siri-like voice commands in just 2 minutes flat. With introducing AI Mat. With AI Mat, you can now spend less time stressing about your creative work and more time doing what you love. And the best part, AI Mat is so easy to use for any newbie or beginner. All you have to do is chat with it and it will do the rest. So what is AI Mat? AI Mat claims to be the world's first ChatGPT-powered Google killer app which generates human-like responses, writes codes, creates high-quality content, and designs stunning AI graphics and art with single keyword within 120 seconds, means just 2 minutes. So AI Mate is designed to revolutionize the way you work and simplify your daily tasks. This cutting edge app is powered by ChatGPT as its creator claims. Um, so it helps you to create unique, high quality content, AI arts, and images in a fraction of the time it would take to write it manually. This AI tool is able to generate product descriptions, blog posts, and even entire web pages with just a few simple prompts. And this makes it also possible delivering content that is not only fast and efficient but also engaging and informative. Whether you are looking for answers to complex questions, assistance with the daily tasks, or just someone to talk to, this app has you covered. And with its constantly evolving understanding of language, it is always getting smarter and more helpful. It generates human-like responses to complex questions with just one click. It generates high-quality content, ebooks, stories, novels, articles, sales scripts, video scripts, or anything you wanted. AI Mate also gives you crisp and clear answers to your any question instantly. It designs stunning AI arts and images, as I said. It also creates SEO optimized and plagiarism free content for your blogs, emails, and websites. Hope you got the point what the AI Mat is, and let's go ahead and know about its more features of AI Mat. So, so the possibilities with the AI Mat is just endless. It translates languages, solve maths problems, or do anything you want. It also generates codes like a pro simply by describing what you need. It also has built-in graphics and video editor. It can craft a high-quality plagiarism-free SEO content which can rank your websites. It generates codes like a programmer simply by describing your requirement. It can automate and revolutionize your repetitive routine tasks with AI. AI Mate comes with the commercial licenses which can generate and sell as many assets as you like to for your clients. And as I said, it is very newbie friendly. Its dashboard is very easy to use, and there is no hidden fee or any extra expenses. Yeah, there are some funnels which we will talk about in a while. And you obviously it's a digital product, so you don't need to do anything to download, install, or any customize. And it also comes with the 30 days money back guarantee, which we will talk in a while. So these are the features of AI Mate. Now let's go ahead and see how to use this platform. So the creator of AI Mate claims that you can use it in just 3 steps. Step 1, ask and generate, and then profit. So in the first step, you will have to give Siri-like voice commands or type your desired specification about anything that you want, like content, AI graphics, marketing materials, etc. In the step 2, you need to generate. So AI mates harness the power of ChatGPT and OpenAI and generates high quality content, AI graphics, marketing materials, or anything you desire for. And the third and last step is profit. So start profiting by selling these high in demand marketing content, AI graphics, and so much more to your clients. So overall, AiMate offers superior service and premium experience and gives you almost a done for you business. Honestly, this won't be completed in just 3 steps. So if you want to see in the process in detail, you will have to watch the demo. So if you want to watch the full demo or skip the demo part, so there are timestamps and links in the description box, so you can go there. And let's go ahead. We talk about the pricing structure. So the front end product of AI Mat usually cost you $97 per month, but they are offering a one-time price at $47. But when the product will go live, it will cost you just $17. And I'm also sharing with you two coupon codes, discount coupon codes with you. And these coupon codes are also available in the description box, and I'm also sharing with you here. So the first discount coupon code is worth $2 with its front end product, which will cost you around $17. So it will be after the discount, it will be around $15. So the coupon code is AiMate, MATEVIP. And the second discount coupon is worth $30 off discount, and it will work on the bundle package, and that coupon code is AiMate, MATE bundle, BUNDLE. And yes, as I said, that AiMate comes with the 30 days money back guarantee. So there is almost no risk involved. If you are not satisfied, if you won't be satisfied with this product, you can return it and get your full refund within 30 days, and you will get your 100% money back. Now let's go more deep and see the funnel of AiMate, means the OTOs, upsells or upgrades of AiMate. So there are 8 stages, I can say. The first one is front end product main offer, which will cost you $17. The OTO one, means upsell one, or you can say upgrade one, is AiMate Pro, which will cost you $67. OTO 2 is AiMate Max, which will cost you $87. OTO 3 is AiMate Marketing Kit, $67. Fourth OTO is AiMate Agency, which cost $197. OTO 5 is AiMate Reseller, which where you can resell the AiMate product. It will cost you around $97. Sixth OTO is White Label License, which will be $297. And the last one is the bundle package of AiMate, which is called AiMate Bundle Deal. It will cost you $397. So the upsells are not mandatory, but you can upgrade as you require. Now let's talk about the pre-bonuses or exclusive bonuses which comes with the main product of AiMate. So there are 4 bonuses with it, and those free bonuses are not just free stuffs or simple things, but they are premium products. There are 4 free gifts or 4 free bonuses are there, which worth $997, which you will get with the AiMate product. The first bonus is CopyMate. So CopyMate is a brand new cloud AI copywriter that creates high converting marketing copies like sales letters, VSL scripts, email swipes, blog posts, and much more in just 3 simple steps. The second bonus is Store Ecom. This is an AI powered software that lets you create and launch your very own ecom online store in just a few mouse clicks. This also allows you to host and launch an e-commerce store on your own domain. You can add hundreds of products and start selling from the very first day. The third bonus is Prime Web. So Prime Web is a website builder with 1,000 plus done for you templates and live editor to your order, and you can make 3x more profits. And the fourth and the last bonus is Unlimited SEO app. So this is a tool which is designed to help skyrocket your website powered by Host Squad in the Google rankings for traffic. If you are struggling to get the traffic you need, then this tool is a must. And if you want to know about the creator of AiMate, so his name is Brent Ingram. Sorry for my pronunciation, but this is his name, Brett Ingram. So he's a product creator, an affiliate marketer, an outstanding internet marketer, and also he's a best-selling book author. Now we have come to the final part of this AiMate review video, where I will share my personal opinion with you, a totally honest and unbiased opinion. So honestly, this AiMate is not a very first of its kind product, and it is not a world's first AI assistant product. There are so many AI assistant tools already available in the market. One I can easily remember is Marketing Blocks. I have given its link in the description so that you can compare with it. And this is true that the earlier AI assistant tools can also create such content, but AiMate is one step ahead as it has more additional features like AI arts and graphics and more, which you can't find in the earlier ones. So basically AiMate is a wonderful AI assistant with lots of latest features, plus its upgrades have a lot more value and premium features. So yeah, it deserves your one try. So that was it for today. See you in the next one. Make a well-informed decision. And stay blessed, stay happy. See you again.